The work presented here has been done in scope of the Pilot 5 of the H2020 eShape project, which aims to monitor the fisheries of big pelagic species, reconciling food security with the sustainable use of resources. Our objectives are stressing the need for a more sustainable fishing strategy, the characterization of human pressure, and a stronger monitoring of human activities. The study will take place in the Portuguese Exclusive Economic Zones, or EEZ, and Extended Continental Shelves, or ECS, for a total above 3.5 million square kilometers. Here is the focus on the Azores Islands. Looking closely at big pelagic species, namely tuna and swordfish, two main fishing techniques are under study here: the pole and line and the drifting long line. The pole and line technique regroups multiple fishermen on the same boat to track schools of fish, whereas the drifting long line is put in the ocean with varying number of hooks to be retrieved later. With the AIS data provided by Marine Traffic, we are able to recreate vessel trips based on the time difference between two emissions. We will consider a fishing trip if a vessel emits regularly, containing a clear starting and ending point. Within this trip, there has to be a succession of emissions with a relative velocity under 2.5 knots, as can be shown here by the white dots. This brings us to the characterization of the fishing effort. There are different approaches to what is called fishing effort, either using the number of hooks in a long line or the catches. Depending on the accuracy of your data, you could use one or another. Considering the data available for the moment in this project, we are using what can be called a fishing footprint, which depends on the fleet capacity and the time of fishing activity. According to these results, here is an example of a fishing footprint map over the Azores for the pole and line and the drifting long line techniques in 2018. You can see an extensive effort east of Santa Maria's Island for the LHP, which is more spread out for the LLD. You can note the effort displayed close to the islands, which is believed to be fishing for live baits. The next step will be to find the best way to calculate the fishing footprint and improve it with other type of specific data, such as logbooks, for example. Then present the result on a web application.